Hi, I'm Mike Cash with the Epiroc USA Customer Center Technical Support. Today we're going to discuss how to replace or inspect the air cleaners on a DM45. First, we remove the cover to access the air filters. The filters are held in by a wing nut and a sealed gasket washer. Remove the wing nut. And remove the filter. On a machine with dirty filters, this filter will be heavy and quite dirty. Once the filter is out, inspect the secondary filter vacuum indicator. If it's red, replace the filter. If it's green, only replace the outer filter. Before installing the new filter, inspect the rubber gasket on the inboard side to make sure it's not cut or flat or providing any air ingress path. Once the filter is determined to be good, install it. Before installing the wing nut, make sure the rubber-coated washer is in place. This seals against the filter housing to prevent air bypassing the filter. Tighten the wing nut to provide a secure seal on the back of the housing. Before reinstalling the cover, inspect the gasket to make sure that it's not cut or missing. Replace as necessary. Part of the filter replacement is to empty the dustpan, opening the flop down access. Dirt will fall out. This should be done daily. Part of the air filter inspection is to monitor the informer restriction indicator. It measures restriction in inches of water. If it's restricted too much, the red indicator will be approaching 6.20 inches of water. When the restriction indicator shows a vacuum of approaching 6 inches of water, replace your filters and reset the informer by pressing the button. For more information, contact your Epiroc Service Center or dealer.